Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. In this video I want to show you how I make my Christmas tumbler with my Christmas bubbles on it, and if this sounds interesting to you, just stay tuned. The first thing I have to do is I have to sand my cup down a little bit to make a rough surface, so everything I put on here has a much better grip onto the cup and it adheres much better than this. And I'm taking an 80 grit sanding block here. You can take sanding paper, that is up to you. It doesn't matter really. And I really be focusing myself on the rim right there to expose about a millimeter of the stainless steel. So when the final coat of resin will be dropped down, it will really make an end up there. This video is part of the Christmas in July collaboration organized by Tracy from Mini Scenes GB and Crafty Youtubers United. And yeah, we'll have something really nice to watch for you. So just check out the other artists as well. And I think you will be having lots of fun watching what they will be making for the Christmas in July 2024. I leave the playlist link in my description box so you can find it easily. Yeah, and please, check out. Maybe you subscribe to another channel. Give us thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Thank you. So I'm ready sanding now, and now I'm taking my isopropanol alcohol and spraying my cup really well, and wipe away with my tissue every debris that has been on there and any dust of any kind from the sanding. These are the stickers that I want to use, and they are glittered with gold glitter, and yeah, you can see that really well on the picture. But here you see me trying to figure out how to place them and how far they come down when I put them on the top. So I know how to divide my cup in a good way. So I took some classical colors, which is red and gold, into this cup, which is traditional Christmas colors. And what you see me doing here is I'm painting my cup red. You can do that with spray paint too. I used acrylic paint. I needed 2 layers of paint for this cup. My color is dry now, and I'm trying to see again up to where my bubbles come down, and it's about halfway. Now I'm taking my green acrylic color, and I'm painting my second design element, which are Christmas tree branches that I want to paint on there. And I do that all around the bottom piece, maybe 1/3 of the bottom. And I do that all around the tumbler. Later on I take some other green and just give it a little bit more depth. And this whole thing is not really hard to do because I just fan out my brush strokes, and the darker green that I use later on will really give it some depth. So now I started to put my stickers down, and the one that had chains on it I put from the bottom, from the top down, and there are ones that don't have no chains or anything. Those are the ones that I place onto my branches there. And I have some little ones in between. They're like snowflakes and stuff like that, and I will put them in the negative spaces where there is no branch or no string attached to it. And I just let that run for you, and I put some music on, and I will speed that up as well for you. So at the end, I took my acrylic marker and made some brown lines in between those feathered green spots, just to make sure that you can recognize this as branches. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. It's always nice hearing from you. And when you press the bell, YouTube will notify you whenever I load up a new video. Thank you for that already. This is what my cup looks like now, and what do you think? And I put some little snowflakes on the bottom too to tie it all together. So this is my tumbler. After one coat of epoxy, I have to do 2 more, and then my tumbler is ready.